Hi everyone, Meredith Smith with Meredith Smith Homes of Benchmark Realty. Welcome to 602 Parkvue Place, located in Bellevue. This is one of Parkside Builders' newest communities. This 2020 build with a 2-car attached garage is being sold fully furnished. It's an Ingram floor plan and is loaded with upgrades, and the finishes were carefully selected by the seller. Offers 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 2 half baths with 3 levels of living space and a covered front porch. The first level features a bonus room with bar area and half bath. The second level offers a balcony with 2 fans and an open concept kitchen and living room area. The kitchen offers gorgeous quartz countertops with a 3-seater island, pantry, and half bath. The third level offers a large primary suite with walk-in closet and a beautiful walk-in tiled floor-to-ceiling shower. All the bedrooms have vaulted ceilings too. The laundry is conveniently located on the 3rd floor. This home comes equipped with a newly placed water filtration system, smart garage door, and wiring for security. The current security system is ADT and is transferable. The monthly HOA covers all landscaping and trash collection. If you would like more information about this home or to schedule a private viewing, please reach out.